DK was told by a doctor he would never play football again. DK's college career was over, but a second opinion revealed that he could recover in 6 months. DK did it in 3.
It's John Schneider with Seattle Seahawks.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, bud?
Good.
You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, get fired up. We're going to make you a Seahawk right here, okay? Yeah, all right, bud. All right, man. Congratulations.
He's saying in sign language, standing on business.
Around the world, back to the game. To a friend, I ain't gonna change. Everyone else, tell me, tell. It's easier to scream. I say straight to hell.